Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the last question of this chapter. That is exercise 3E, question number 3. Express the following recurring decimal as fractions. Recurring decimals means the repeating decimal. Here in this given question 0.3. Here this bar is given above the number 3. That means the digit 3 is repeating here. So for converting this recurring decimal into fraction, you have to make equation. First you can take, let x is equal to 0.33. This is your equation number 1. And now in this given digit only one digit is repeating, only 3 is repeating. That is why you have to multiply the both side of the equation by 10. Okay, if in the given question if 3 digits are repeating, then you have to multiply both the side of the equation by 100. If 3 digits are repeating, then you have to multiply both the sides of equation by 1000. So in this question only one digit 3 is repeating. That is why here we are multiplying this equation by 10. 10 multiplied by x, it will become 10x is equal to 0.33 multiplied by 10. You just shift this point to the right side by one digit. So this number will become 3.33 like this. And this is the equation number 2. Okay. Now you have to subtract this equation 1 from equation 2. That we are doing now. We are taking the next step. It is 10x minus x. The left side of the equation 2, 10x, in equation 1 it is x. So we subtracted here 10x minus x is equal to 3.33 minus 0.33. After subtracting 10x minus x is equal to 9x is equal to 3.33 minus 0.33 is 3. 3.33 minus 0.3, you will get the answer 3. Okay, now your equation is 9x is equal to 3. After doing this, you have to find the value of x. Then x is equal to 3 is already here, and this 9 we are transferring from left side to the right side. So it will become 3 upon 9. Now you got the fraction, but this fraction you can reduce also. 3 is the common factor here. So after reducing, you will get the answer here 1 upon 3. So you can write the answer that fraction of this is 1 upon 3. Okay, now let us move to the next question. In this is the question number 2, it is given 0.5, 0.6. Here also only one digit is repeating. So first of all we are making the equation. Let x is equal to 0.66, equation number 1. And here also only one digit is repeating. That is why we are multiplying both the sides of equation by 10. Then when we are multiplying x by 10, it is 10x is equal to 0.66 multiplied by 10. This point should be shifted to the right side by one place. So it is 6.66. Now this is the equation number 2. Now we are doing the subtraction. 10x minus x. 10x minus x is equal to 6.66 minus 0.666. After doing the subtraction here, 10x minus x, 9x is equal to 6.66 minus 0.66 is 6 only. Now your equation is 9x is equal to 6. Now we are finding the value of x. Here I am doing x is equal to 6 upon 9. Here also you can reduce this fraction by 3. And 6 divided by 3, 2, and 9 divided by 3, repeating. So your answer, fraction of this is what? 2 upon 3. Now the third question. In third question it is given 0.13. Here digit 3 is repeating. Here also only one digit is repeating. So as we done in two questions, we are taking the equation that x is equal to 0.133 like this, repeating, and this is equation number 1. Here also only one digit repeating, that is why you have to multiply the equation by 10. So this x will become 10x is equal to, when we are multiplying the 0.133 by 10, this number will become 1.33, and this is equation number 2. Now you have to subtract this one. It is 10x minus x is equal to 1.33 minus 0.133. After subtracting here 10x minus x, it is 9x. 10x minus x, 9x is equal to, here in rough form we are doing the subtraction. It is 1.33 minus 0.13 like this. See this one subtraction, 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 1 2, and the point is here and it is 1. So after doing subtraction you got 1.20, that we are writing here. 9x is equal to 1.2. 1.20 means 1.2 only. Okay. Now after getting this, we are finding the value of x. X is equal to 1.2 upon 9. Here the numerator is a decimal number, so you have to remove that point. For that, what you can do, you can take the number 1.2 as 12 upon 90. Here both numerator and denominator we multiplied by 10 for removing the point, and 12 upon 90 you got. Now you can reduce this fraction. Both number you can divide by 6. 12 divided by 6, 2, and 90 divided by 6, 15. 15, 6 are 90. Here you got the answer, and the answer is 2 upon 15. Now it is clear to you now. Now see the last question. In the last question it is given, question number 4, it is 0.17. Here both the digits are repeating. Same way, first you are making the equation that x is equal to 0.1717. This 1 and 7 both digits is repeating, and this is your equation number 1. Here two digits are repeating, that is why you have to multiply both the side of the equation by 100. Then the equation will become now 100x. X multiplied by 100, 100x is equal to, when we are multiplying this number by 100, this digit point should be shifted to the right side by 2 please. So your answer is 17.17. This is equation number 2. Now we are subtracting this, that is equal to 100x minus x is equal to 17.17 minus 0.17. After subtracting, you will get the answer 17. Now 100x minus x, 99x is equal to 17. Now this is your equation, 99x is equal to 17. Now we are finding the value of x. Then here x is equal to 17 upon 99. Now check the answer. Is it possible to reduce? Do. See here there is no common factor. So the answer of this question is 17 upon 99. Okay. So this chapter is completed. Today you have to do all these questions 3E, Question number 3, all the 4 questions in the notebook. Okay, bye.